Hi, it's Jacquie here. Happy New Year to you and your families. If you're watching this, you've made it through 2021, hopefully unbruised and unscathed. And we're committed to having an amazing 2022, and we hope that you'll have one that's filled with happy days ahead, healthy days, of course, and prosperity. Why not? We all deserve a little prosperity this year. For those of you who are watching, who are curious about real estate, I'm going to get right to it. We had an incredible December. For those of you who had sold your homes, you know very well watching this that you cashed out big time. The serious lack of inventory continued throughout to the end of the year, but we saw prices, which I'm going to get to in just a moment, really rise in all neighborhoods. Whether you were 416 or 905 or buying out of province, you really saw the prices climb rapidly. This year's not going to be any different. If you haven't watched my market predictions, it's going to be posted down below. It's a little long, but it's really informative, I promise, and I'm going to leave you with 3 buyer tips and 3 seller tips to succeed in an aggressive and also inventory tight, controlled market. What I'm hoping for 2022 above all else is that you all have an opportunity to get into the market if you haven't already. It's going to be tough, but it's not going to be impossible. Remember, watch the video below. It's going to provide you with some tips. And if you want one-on-one consult, we're here for that too. I'm going to recap the numbers for December because I think it's really important for some of you who have not been in touch with average sale prices as we finish the year. I think it's really important starting 2022 that we all get a reality check on the real reported numbers. So here they are, folks. The average price by city for December 2021, really important. I want you to look at it. It's at the bottom of the sheet. The Toronto average price, $1,023,000. Markham, you're sitting, if you're living in Markham or in Unionville, $1.424 million for an average property. In Oakville, not surprising here for many of our clients that moved out to Oakville or Halton region, $1.546 million. That is a shocking number, but it's no shock because we saw Oakville grow some neighborhoods 30-40% in a very, very compressed period of time in less than 90 days in some pockets. Mississauga's at $1,092,000. Richmond Hill, if you live in Richmond Hill, $1.501 million average price of a home. And in Newmarket, $1,293,000. And that's whopping growth for anybody who lives or has friends or had invested in Newmarket, because you know Newmarket used to historically be a great place to invest and really reasonable in terms of value. Have a look at all these prices, guys. You can see the average sold price, the days on market, the number of sold properties. The reality is we had massive growth December 2021 as compared to December 2020. We've had almost 25% growth across the GTA. So if you're trying to understand the data that we just showed you on the screen, don't panic, because some of you are in Toronto and you're wondering how on earth the price of average homes is so low compared to other 905 neighborhoods. And I'm going to tell you that data rolls up across all housing types and also includes condos. And in the 905s, obviously there's less condos than there are in Toronto proper, and so that impacts the numbers. And in some communities north of the city, there's a lot more luxury product in the $2, $2.5, $3, or $4 million price range that's impacting this. As always, do not rely on what you're reading online or on an app or anything to get personalized attention or advice. If you're looking for personalized statistics, or if you're looking for numbers related to your investments or home, call us, give us a call, drop us an email, text us. We'd be happy to work on those numbers for you. And we are real people behind the scenes, not just an algorithm that's spitting out data. This year, we're committed to bringing you better information over video. Whether you're on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, be sure to go online, follow us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we post video content there very regularly. And we want to hear from you this year. If you're a client of mine, a past client of mine, or current client of mine, or you're seeing us for the first time today, please, I ask you, send us an email and let us know what you're interested in. Comment, post, email, text us directly so that we can bring content to you that's important to you, whether it's got to do with renovations and where to put your money, decluttering, getting ready, staging process, all of that, or the listing process in general. Or if you're just genuinely interested in, do I put windows in my house? What kind of stone countertops do I use? Where do we get our decor patterns or what have you? Or if you really need help with a renovation that you're doing right now and you're lost in the color or design theme, we'd be happy to help you. Those are our passions. We love helping families. We love helping clients, and we'd be happy to do it for you. Again, let us know what you want to hear because we want to bring you more of what you want to see. Thanks for watching.